Director V2 wireless ergonomic keyboard. Supports both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless dual connection modes. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS systems. Connect up to 3 devices simultaneously. Easily switch between devices with one click. Boost your work efficiency. Ergonomically designed. Combined with a comfortable leather palm rest, delivers an unprecedented sense of ease and comfort. Say goodbye to wrist pain for good. Adjustable stand. Whether you're standing or sitting, keeps your wrists in a natural, comfortable position. Built-in rechargeable battery. Combined with smart sleep function, not only energy efficient, but also ensures long-lasting usage without worry. Director V2 wireless ergonomic keyboard. Work smarter, feel better, and enjoy every keystroke.